Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest update on how to send direct messages in Gmail using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, you'll notice the familiar interface. So let's move on. In the right side menu, you'll see a section for contacts. Click on it to open your contact list. This makes it easy to find the person you want to message. Now take a moment to browse through your contacts. Once you find the person you want to send a message to, click on their name. This will open up their contact details. Next, look for the Send Message option. Click on it, and a new tab will appear, allowing you to compose your message. This makes it simple to engage in direct communication with your contacts without leaving your Gmail. In this new tab, you can write your message just like you would in any email. Don't forget to add a subject if you'd like, and of course, make sure your message is ready to go. Once you've finished composing your message, all that's left to do is to click the Send button. Your message will then be on its way directly to your contact's inbox. And that's it. You've successfully sent a direct message in Gmail. It's a quick and straightforward way to connect with others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.